Hey there, namaste, welcome back to Mom and Son's Notebook. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: essential life skills for school-aged kids. As parents and caregivers, we all want our children to succeed in life, and these skills will empower them to do just that. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here are 10 essential life skills for school-aged kids that will empower your child for success. Skill number 1, effective communication. Communication is the foundation of success in all aspects of life. Encourage your child to express their thoughts clearly and listen actively. Teach them how to articulate their ideas, ask questions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Good communication skills will help them build strong relationships, excel in teamwork, and thrive academically. Skill number 2, critical thinking. In a world filled with information, critical thinking is essential. Teach your child how to analyze situations, evaluate evidence, and make informed decisions. Encourage them to ask why and explore different perspectives. Critical thinking will enable your child to solve problems creatively, think independently, and become a lifelong learner. Skill number 3, time management. Time management is a skill that will benefit your child throughout their life. Help them establish a routine, prioritize tasks, and set achievable goals. Teach them to manage their time effectively, whether it's for homework, extracurricular activities, or personal interests. By mastering time management, your child will learn to balance responsibilities, meet deadlines, and reduce stress. Skill number 4, resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, and resilience is what helps us bounce back from challenges. Teach your child to embrace failures as opportunities for growth, develop problem-solving skills, and maintain a positive mindset. Encourage them to persevere through obstacles and never give up. Resilience will empower your child to overcome setbacks, build confidence, and achieve their goals. Skill number 5, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is crucial for developing strong interpersonal skills. Teach your child to identify and understand their emotions, as well as those of others. Help them manage their emotions effectively and empathize with different perspectives. Emotional intelligence will enable your child to navigate social situations, build meaningful relationships, and become a compassionate individual. Skill number 6, financial literacy. Understanding money and financial management is essential for a successful future. Teach your child the basics of budgeting, saving, and the value of money. Help them differentiate between needs and wants and make responsible spending choices. By learning financial literacy, your child will develop good money habits, understand the importance of saving, and be prepared for their financial future. Skill number 7, collaboration and teamwork. The ability to work well with others is a skill that transcends school and is valued in any professional setting. Encourage your child to participate in group activities, projects, and team sports. Teach them how to listen, respect others' opinions, and contribute their ideas effectively. Collaboration and teamwork will equip your child with the skills to cooperate, negotiate, and achieve common goals. Skill number 8, digital literacy. In the digital age, being digitally literate is a necessity. Teach your child about online safety, responsible internet usage, and critical evaluation of online content. Help them understand the potential risks and benefits of technology. Encourage them to use digital tools for learning, creativity, and communication responsibly. By mastering digital literacy, your child will be equipped to navigate the digital world safely and effectively. Skill number 9, problem solving. Problem solving is a skill that empowers children to tackle challenges head-on. Encourage your child to approach problems with a positive mindset and break them down into manageable steps. Teach them to think creatively, brainstorm solutions, and evaluate the outcomes. Problem-solving skills will enable your child to face obstacles confidently, find innovative solutions, and become a proactive individual. Skill number 10, self-care and well-being. Amidst the demands of school and daily life, it's crucial to prioritize self-care and well-being. Teach your child the importance of taking care of their physical and mental health. Encourage healthy habits such as exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep. Help them develop strategies to manage stress, practice mindfulness, and seek support when needed. By prioritizing self-care, your child will maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. And there you have it, 10 essential life skills for school-aged kids that will empower your child for success. By fostering these skills, you'll be providing them with a strong foundation for personal growth and achievement. Remember, these skills are not only important for school, but they also prepare your child for a successful future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mom and Son's Notebook for more parenting tips and advice. See you in the next video.